Hey kids, welcome back to String Cheese and Applesauce, where today we're going to build the Lego Santa's Workshop Elf thing. What's this set called again? Toy Workshop. So this is the 2014 exclusive, the first one that comes out around the holiday time. It's free with qualifying purchases. They ran it in October. You just had to purchase $99 worth of stuff from Lego. Put it all right here. I have a helper today, so he's going to help me with it. So there's the contents. We have one instruction book. Let's look at the bags. They're unnumbered bags.
No numbers.
So we just, that bag of smaller stuff, 2 loose plates, and
the fixing.
the bag
And
of
the
tools. This is cool. So the tools all come in this one little bag. I like these tools because they're molded better. They actually look like tools.
Yeah.
They used to come on a round sprue. A round sprue. But they now come all individually by themselves. So we're gonna start with the minifigures, as always. And the 2 minifigures are elves. So they have the little bitty hobbit legs. They're the short legs that don't articulate, they don't move.
Don't move.
They don't move. They just stand there.
Oh yeah. Like that.
So the elf, you have that on backwards. I'll do the other one while you're fooling with that.
It's hard. Oh, look, she's scared.
Does it have 2 faces?
Yes.
Okay, so the girl elf has 2 faces.
Oh no, it's like that.
Oh, you have it backwards.
Yeah.
You gotta turn it around.
Is it on backwards? No, it's on backwards.
So here's the first elf. It's the male figure. You can see a cool little printing, just plaid shirt with a little belt. Printing on the back as well. I believe this is the same torso that's in the logging truck. The logger guy from the logging truck. So pretty generic face, and you can see the ears are molded onto the hat. So that's what gives it the elf ears. And then the little legs that don't move. Here's the female. I believe we've seen this torso before too. A little bit of printing on the back. Let's see. Yeah, this torso's in 5 other sets. Or 4 other sets, including this one. And she holds the paintbrush. I'll put that on there. So there's her little paintbrush. So those are the 2 minifigures, the 2 elves that come with the set.
Wait.
What you building now? Okay, we're gonna build the toys. We'll start with the toys.
First, we're gonna build.
Put them all right here. Build it right here where they can see it. This is gonna be a little tractor.
What's that face?
Oh, that's a dark trans cheese slope.
Build that one. We want to have 4 of these, the gray.
Yeah, right here, right here.
Correct.
There you go.
Gray. The one go on the sides.
Yeah, they're semi-metallic looking silver studs.
Silver studs that they are silver gray ones.
Yeah, they look kind of gray and they kind of have a little bit of a gloss to it,
Yeah.
but not really. They show like a reflection in the, or a shiningness in the instructions, but they really don't have that much of a shine to them. There you go.
Then we put that one right there. Then we put the other one on the top of it.
Yeah. Do you know what those are called?
No.
They're jumper plates. Jumper plate, so it has the stud in the middle. It's a 1x2 plate that has the stud in the middle, and they call it a jumper plate because the studs jump to the middle.
Okay. Now we'll move the
So
next.
this is the first toy. It's a little miniature tractor. And now we're going to build a train. Looks like.
Yep, a train. Lemon train.
Here, I'll help you find the pieces.
Okay. And there's 4 of these toys. Then we're going to have another one of these.
Right.
But we're going to have silver. But it's kind of different.
Yeah, it's going to kind of look like
The same thing as the
it's the tractor.
truck.
The tractor.
But there is no jumping stud.
Jumper plate.
Jumper plate.
Yeah. Get it close.
No, that one over there. There. Then we'll put the green. What's it called?
That's just a 1x3 plate.
1x3 plate on the top. Look at that.
You got it on right. That looks good. Oh. Nope. Yeah, you're right. You put it on wrong.
Yeah.
Goes the other way. There you go.
I'll put that one like 3 plate right on top of it. Now we're going to put the gold on the back.
Clear stud.
Clear stud on the back.
No, the back here. Back there.
Right here. Then we're going to put the green plate on top of the stud.
Yep.
And makes that.
Yep.
It's like the light on the train that goes to steam smoke out.
Well, not really. This is the
Oh no.
that's the cow scoop, and then this is the smokestack on the front. So that green tile is the cab where the conductor.
There. The doctor sits. Right there where the doctor sits. And the smoke comes out this
Yep.
little train. Then
Right. So that's
that.
those 2 toys. Now we're gonna build
No,
a
the man.
a little toy soldier.
Toy soldier. Like that
We'll
one.
start with that. Put this on top of it. And then
This. Then the neck.
those
Then
2 arms.
arms. Arms. Then
And the head.
the head. Looks confusing because it doesn't have eyes or nose or mouth.
No, but it looks like a toy soldier.
Yeah.
Oops.
Pretty good. Because the legs are the black and the
The blue are the pants.
blue the pants and the red lines are the arms. And this is the chest, neck, and head.
Yep. Alright, so now we've got a few presents to build.
Presents.
That and that. That.
That's our first present. I want to go on to another present. Now I want to do another present. Go like that. And that. Then we have a white star that goes on top of it. Until we made it.
Yep, 2 little gifts.
2 presents.
Hold them up here. Okay, what's next?
Now we're
Now we're gonna start working on the toy shop.
closer. One of these.
Those over there.
That one. We'll put this one right there.
Can you build it up here so they can see it? There you go.
Right there. Then we'll get another one of those connected right there. Then we're going to get 2 brown pieces. Where's the 2 brown pieces.
Here, let's turn these around. So these are 1x4 bricks. Bricks. So we've seen the 1x2s. The 1x4s are fairly new.
Like this one too.
Yeah, that's just a standard 1x4
Yes.
brick. These have the brick molds on one side, but on the other side it's just some lines. So it's a modification of the 1x2 brick. It's a 1x4 brick.
This one, the 4 goes on there, and this one goes like that. These 2 go like that. Then this one goes in the middle of them. Then we're going to get 2 of gold. Gold what?
They're kind of like legs, like table legs. And this reverse slope that you put right here in the middle, it actually goes facing the other way.
I can see it.
You gonna put it on there, right? Okay.
Then we'll get 1 of.
Let's see, we need this panel. We need
That's
2 of these modified plates. We need this,
1.
this, and 2 of the gold ones. There you go. So it's a little sub build. We're gonna build the vise.
Those,
It's a little confusing.
Oh.
No, turn it. Turn it. Keep dirtying it. Keep dirtying it. Nope. You didn't turn it at all. There we go. I can't see. You got to build up here. They can't see what you're doing.
Go that. Put that one right there.
You having problems there? You need me to help you?
That one is there. Then we put one of these right here.
Push it on there. There we go. And then two of the... It's the next step now. It's these things. Two of those.
And put them on these. That.
One more.
Then we're going to put...
All right, I need to move the camera because you keep pulling all the way back.
Okay. Now we're going to put that one on there. Now we're going to put another one on top.
And
Now
the lever.
we're going to put that one right. This one. There. Then we're going to put it right on here. Right there.
Okay.
Next step is one of the 8 and another one of the 8.
It's a 2x4.
2x4. Now we're going to put the white one right there. And the brown one right
Nope. Oh, there you go.
there.
That's going to hold the vise on.
Then next step is
One of those. One of the brown 1x4s.
that.
They're right here.
Then we put this one right there. Then we put these two things on right there and right there. Then we put one of these two studs. So we put these studs right there on the yellow and blue things. Now we're gonna put the that right there. Go to the next one.
Yep. These little modified plates with clips on them.
Goes on top of these. Clicked on. Now we put one more right there. And we put all
No, not all of them. Only 4 tools will fit.
4.
Let's use that one.
That one.
Do the screwdriver and then the 2 wrenches.
That one's good.
Doesn't matter. Just clip them on there. Oh yeah, put that one down there.
That one is there. And the screwdriver goes right over there. And these 2 wrenches go right there.
And put one of these plates on there.
And put this plate on top of it, top of that.
And then that all goes on
And that all goes
right
on
here.
there. That one right there. It's pretty cool because there's only that right there. Then we put it's only right there. Then we put that right there, so it makes all the benches.
It's the tool bench where they build all the toys.
Then we're going to put 3 of these right there, and right here. That's pretty cool. Then we're going to put one of these, and 2 of those. And we'll put those on top of.
Let me see the instructions. Let me help you do it here. And this goes
Right on top of those studs.
so that'll help hold all that on.
Then we're going to make a window. I could do that.
Think you can do that?
Yeah, really.
Alright, you gotta do it where they can see it. You can't do it off camera. Then they'll think you're cheating.
Now we build the window. It goes right there. And there's a car window. There's snow right there.
Mm-hmm.
Now we've got a box that goes right there and has then this
Oil can.
the oil can goes
You just pulled it off camera. I'm trying to keep it on camera. The oil can goes on there.
right there. Right. I do this. No. Wait. That's the only way. It goes like that. The oil can goes right there.
It doesn't matter. Just put it on there. Let me see. Is there a stud on the bottom? No. Just sits in between all the studs right here. And we have the tire wrench and the socket wrench in the box.
Now
Now we're going to start part of the roof.
roof is that one. And this one goes right there. Then we'll get this one. Goes right there. Another one over here.
Yep.
And get
They're 1x2 slopes.
Then we'll get 1x2 slopes right there again. Then we get the triangle on top right there. And we made the roof, but not yet. We'll put
On the other side. On the other side.
this one,
It's a Technic pin.
a Texas pin, right through the hole.
Yep. So we had a Technic brick with a pinhole in it, and we put this non-friction Technic pin
Pin
in there.
and the
Goes over here.
goes
Okay, put it in the camera. There you go, just like that.
right there. Then we want to make
A light.
a light.
So we need this and
The,
that. Build it right here where they can see it.
then we'll
Put the dish
dish
on top of the
the
trans yellow cylinder brick.
cylinder brick. It's like that.
And then
Then we'll put this on top of that.
good.
Then
Then that attaches to the Technic pin.
that goes with there. And ta-da! It's light. And
Ta-da, there's our light.
how'd this go?
No, I put it on there.
So
Alright, so we're gonna start building the roof.
the roof is backwards,
Upside down.
sit down, and
You have reverse slopes. Other way. Turn it, turn it, turn it. There you go.
it goes like
No,
that.
no, put it in the corner.
How are we going to put it in the corner? See? See?
Up a little bit more. Right there.
Put right there. Then we'll put one more.
It's a 1x2 brick.
We'll put 2 brick right there.
And then another reverse slope.
Another one. Because it's there.
And a 2x6 brown plate.
Goes right
Right in the middle.
there.
Slam it down with your whole hand. Cha!
Then we get 2 of these.
2 more reverse slopes. And a 1x2 brick.
And they go on the other side. Again, it's like the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
That one. And we put this backwards. And we'll put that one right there.
Mm-hmm.
Then we want to have
Let me do this. This one's gonna be a little hard. Can you grab that plate for me? And put it on top of that right there.
all that. Then we'll attach it.
We're gonna attach it. Yep, so those little yellow clips. So there's some modified plates with yellow clips here. And they're gonna clip onto these light bluish gray plates with clips.
Is it back?
Here, I'll turn it this way so you can see them. Yeah, you gotta line them up. And then push down on it. Good.
Then makes a roof.
Yep.
And we do have a tool that these two.
So we're pretty much done.
Then the man has
Yep.
the screw in his hand.
It's a power drill. He's got a power drill in his hand. So the boy elf has a power drill. Let me hold the girl. And the girl is holding the hammer. Oops, and I just threw her.
Go on.
You need help? Let me help you.
Going crazy. And that is all.
Alright, so there it is. That is the whole thing. It is the Toy Workshop. Small set. We do have
Extra pieces.
some extra pieces. There is one extra paintbrush. I think it just fell on the ground. I did drop something. Oh, yep, it was. It was an extra paintbrush. We do have an extra paintbrush. We have basically some studs.
And the video. And this, she's holding a paintbrush right there in his hand.
They can't see it. Look, you're not on the camera.
And she's holding a paintbrush. And she already painted the train green.
Yeah, so there's a little bit of green paint on the paintbrush tip. Yeah, so maybe that's what she's painting.
And that is all.
That's it. So hey, thanks to Little Man here for building the set. Age range for the set is what they call 7 plus.
If you are 7 or more than 7, you can build this.
How old are you?
7.
How old are you?
7.
You're not 7. How old are you? 7. You're really 6.
I know.
So
7.
it's, hey, if a 6-year-old can build this, then a 7-year-old or more can build it pretty easily. So it's not that hard. It is very, very small. It's going to complement the Santa Workshop very well. We already have that set. We've built it. Check it out. Make sure to subscribe. Thumbs up. Thumbs up our videos. Check us out on all the social media, including Instagram and Twitter and yada, yada, yada.
Sorry.
And yeah, that's about it. Do you have anything else to add?
Nope.
Nope.
Make a thumbs up.
Make a thumbs up. Tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.
All right. Bye.